Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to remove friends from Bereal. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. First we type on Chrome browser and search Bereal login, and little bit scroll down and type on login Bereal. Tap on search bar and swipe and you can see your friends, and you want to remove your friend on Bereal. So first we tap on your friend account and tap on three lines, and you can see you will remove tick from following like this, and you can see on the right of top corner my friend is removed from my Bereal account. And guys, this is very simple process. I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.